Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty versatile wig unit sent from Ashimaryhair, you guys. I'm going to start off with the unboxing. The elastic band actually came wrapped around the box, and this box was actually a pretty big one compared to like the standard size boxes, you guys. So a lot came in here. Of course, the wig. Also got an HD wig cap, some eyelashes, and also in this box here was like, I think a necklace or a bracelet, and also the robe, an edge brush, and also informational cards, you guys. So as for the cap construction, this one is actually a little different because it has the invisible strap in the back so that you guys are able to have and do your updos. So yeah, I'll be definitely showing you guys some styles at the end of this video, but I'm going to go ahead and start with my install. As usual, I just come on camera with my hair already curl defined. However, throughout this video and doing like the different types of styles, it did get frizzy on me, you guys. So I did try to go in and wet my hair throughout this video. However, I always say this: once you start messing with your hair is going to get really frizzy, especially if you air dry it. And I am a YouTuber who likes to air dry all of her hairs. So yeah, I do want to also tell you guys about the specs of this wig unit. So this is a 26-inch water wave texture 360 full lace frontal wig unit, you guys. So I'm not sure of the density, but I'll make sure I ask the company and make sure I link it down below. But this wig unit also, of course, comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. The pre-cut is also a wavy edge to it, so you are able to cut more lace if you want to. I didn't really have to. I just did this. I kept the wig exactly how it was, and I just tinted my lace with my foundation per usual. So this isn't really more focused on a install because this is like my first time reviewing a 360 wig unit in a very long time, you guys. I want some more focus so on, you know, the different styles and things that you could do with this wig unit. So I'll come back and talk to you guys towards the end.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe it. And somehow I can't. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean no. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning, the world keeps on spinning, but without me. Something that everybody else seems to see, everybody but me. Oh, it keeps feeling like I can feel it. I'll tell myself that I'm better off being free. Yeah. But really, I'm just afraid that true love's a trade. Do it to feel. Yeah.
I'm gonna come down and then I'm gonna fix this. So you have these little clear things, and I've actually been trying to like pull them two on each side so that the back could scrunch up, and you can actually feel it scrunching. I also do have on the elastic band that comes on in this wig, so yeah. So I actually crisscrossed them. I'm actually going to tie it, the two clears together. Highly recommend you do that as well. Tie them together in like a knot. And you probably don't have to take it out of your wig either. You can just put it on like that. And then I'm just going to scrunch it on in, tuck it in. I don't have another mirror in here to see what the back looks like, and I don't have it glued on, but it does feel snug, you guys, when I pulled those clear elastics and tied them in a knot together. So really secure wig units. And I'm gonna try to do like a easier updo of this wig. So I wanted to show you guys the parting space of this wig unit. This actually looks super natural, you guys, really natural. So I'm going to start off with like some versatility of the wig. So basically I just did a half up, half down, and I'm doing a top knot bun. So the density of the frontal is not as full as like the hair, of course. I could have definitely pulled some more hair up into the ponytail from the back, but this is how the top knot looks. And then I did a flip over method. You guys know I'm not really one of those people who like to do a lot of parting, so I did a flip over sweep, and I just think that this hairline looks really, really good, you guys. So you would definitely be able to pull off flip overs and ponytails and things of that such with this wig. Now I don't know if you guys noticed, but it seems like they went in and put shorter tracks in the back of the wig unit. And I know people who do this, like it's not new. But I think they did it maybe for the volume of the wig unit, you guys. But I just want to make sure you guys see that this does have shorter limbs that's like placed in the back. I mean, you can kind of see it here and then like in previous footage of this video. But I also think that this was a really cute little semi half up, half down look. And the hairline looks really, really good as well. I didn't really do too much with it, just kind of use what I had. So I could have did a little bit more plucking with the sideburns, but yeah. And then I did a ponytail, which I absolutely love. It's like my favorite look. It's so cute. I pulled some hair out on the sides. It's just really, really nice. And also the back is also unclockable, you guys. I'm mad it didn't get brighter than this, but I promise you can't see it. Okay, you can't see it. I went in my bathroom to check. So I think it's just a super natural look with this water wave texture, you guys. And out of all of the updos, I love the ponytail, the messy water wave look. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys again over at Ashimaryhair for sending over this wig unit, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really better opening up.